Wise card added to Apple Pay failed. Fix. Trying to add your Wise card to Apple Pay but it keeps failing? Do not worry. Here's how to fix it. Step 1, check the error message. If you see an error like could not add card, it usually means there's a temporary verification or setup issue with Apple Pay. Step 2, check your internet connection. Make sure your iPhone is connected to a stable internet connection. Switch between Wi Fi and mobile data or turn airplane mode on and off. Step 3, update iOS and the Wallet app. Outdated software can cause Apple Pay problems. Go to Settings, tap General, then Software Update, and install any available updates. Restart your iPhone afterward. Step 4, check Wise Card status. Open the Wise app and confirm that your card is active and your account is fully verified. Inactive or unverified accounts cannot be added to Apple Pay. Step 5, contact Wise support. If it still doesn't work, open the Wise app, go to Help, then contact support. Ask them to check if your card is eligible for Apple Pay in your region. Step 6, try adding the card again. Once everything is verified, open the Wallet app, tap Add Card, choose debit or credit card, and then scan or enter your Wise card details. After completing these steps, try adding your Wise card again, and you should be good to go.